Ruby!
And how's your nighttime going?
Yeah, nighttime, because we're making pancakes for dinner. Do you remember what we need for pancakes?
No,
No?
not at all.
Not at all. Do we need, like, flour?
Yes.
Wait a minute, I have an idea. I'm gonna grab the ingredients and pass them to you, and then you're gonna tell me what everything is.
Daddy, go get the ingredients.
Yes, chef.
Flour, salt, sugar, baking powder,
Buttermilk.
buttermilk, egg.
Chicken that's not ready yet.
The chicken is not ready yet. Oil.
That's it. That's everything.
But what about that?
Well, we'll use that later. We're gonna put this on top of the pancakes later. Do you know what it is?
Butter.
Probably talk about this guy too. Remember what that guy is? Maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
Awesome. Should we get started?
Yeah. Let's get started. Woo!
You looking for the sugar?
Yes.
There's some more. It's easier to find now.
Bits. And the Is that enough mixing?
I think it looks pretty good.
It does it to me.
All right, so what's next?
Ah! Oh no!
Oh no, we got some on the table. Oh my gosh.
Daddy, what are we going to put in the rest of the bowl?
We don't actually need that one, do we?
Just this one? If you don't have buttermilk, you could use milk instead. Just add a little bit of vinegar at it.
Ruby, I could use a hand over here. Can you give me a little stir?
Yes.
Not too much though.
Is that enough?
Maybe 3 more circles. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now we gotta fold the egg whites in. This one's pretty delicate.
What's delicate?
Really gentle. So we take our egg whites, we put them in, we put them in. This is what makes them extra fluffy. If we don't do this, they're still gonna be fluffy. This makes them extra fluffy. So what we want to do, you just have to fold it like that. It's not really a mix.
Shape.
Because if we mix it too much, you know what happens? The egg whites stop being clouds and they turn back into like liquid. So just like that. Now our pancake mix is all ready. Now we're just gonna let it sit for a few minutes, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. And then we're gonna start cooking them, okay? So we can take a little 10-minute break, all right? What should we do?
Cook. No, pretend cookie.
Ruby!
Pancake, 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 pancake. Butter on the top, syrup on the top.
Boom! That looks delicious.
Boom!
Boom! Are we ready?
Yes.
You ready to dig in?
Yes.
I guess I gotta cut them, right?
Yes, but me.
Because me too, I can't eat that much. I'm gonna cut it for you. Like a big cut, like pow!
I got lots of pancakes.
Look at that.
Everyone needs lots of pancakes.
A little bit of butter on it. So light. That's good. Thanks for your help. High five. Pow.
I want some more, so let's save it.
For tomorrow? Or for 5 minutes from now?
Let's get this party started.
Just stand up tall and relax and look at that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. You say?
Please subscribe to our channel.